You will know that your MyNotify hub and wearable device is connected by looking at the lights on the hub. The green power light will remain illuminated. The amber internet light will remain illuminated. The green connectivity light will blink constantly. This tells you that you are connected. To test your connectivity, simply get your wearable device, push the red button, and wait for the device to vibrate. Once it vibrates, your list of notifies can check their phone to know that they received that request for help. At any such time that the connectivity light is not blinking and is off, this means that your wearable device is disconnected. To initiate a reboot, simply unplug the power cord and plug it back in, and within 7 to 8 minutes, the reboot will occur and you will be reconnected.